Thank you sa moderator. Hello. I'm from Philippines. From Philippines. Sino po gustong i-flex ang kanilang bahay? Pa-flex na lang po. Ay, pa-flex na lang po. Palapag na lang po para ma-play. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yung ginagamit ni Jeremy. Bakit? Saan? Pwede naman. Kailangan pagkatapos ng party mo, nandun pa rin yun ha. Baka mamaya mabit-bit yun. Tama, maliit lang yun eh. Mamaya na lang, pa i-charger naman yun. Lah. Nasa kaya yung isang wired. So, pwede kasi ito. Charger. Can this be love? I'm feeling right now. I have the feeling, this feeling now. Why do I tremble whenever you're near? I can't seem to say. I'm still here. This is the first time I ever felt so helpless deep inside. Why so bad? If I had to say 1,000 times, I'd tell you once again, this is the first time. I love you. This is the first time I ever felt so helpless deep inside. If I had to say 1,000 times, I'd tell you once again, this is the first time. This is the first time. It's the first time I'm gonna say I love you. I love you. I love you. Masyado makalat yung aking pwesto, no? Pasensya nyo na yun. Wala kasing filter dito, no? Kayang